This is the correct way to boil pasta. The salt is in there, there's the water, there's the pasta. Now, when you're done cooking the pasta, if you should see that the water is cloudy, that means you didn't have enough salt. You don't have to rapidly boil it, you just have to boil it. Doesn't make it cook any faster. The temperature's the same no matter what. So there you have a nice small rolling boil. You never put oil in there. That's the way that old-timers thought you prevent the pasta from sticking together. This is how you prevent it. The correct amount of water. This is one portion. And you have to put salt in the water because you want the sauce to have its flavor and the pasta to have its own flavor. Then it's going to come out good. When this is done, I pour off the water. You never ever rinse the pasta unless you want to get pasta like when you go to a diner. They give you pasta on the side, and after you're eating it, you see like liquid water in the bottom of the bowl. Why is that? They don't cook the pasta to order. They take pasta that's already cooked, drop it into a basket, into boiling water, and then they don't drain it well, or even if they do drain it well, that pasta is very wet. This is done, it's drained, spritz a little olive oil over it, virgin olive oil, put it in a bowl, put the sauce that you're going to use, and it never sticks. So we're going to wait till this is done, and then we're going to do that. So you check the pasta, whether it's bow ties like this, or spaghetti long. If you like it very al dente, then you take it off the fire. It's a little bit too hard yet. And there's 3 ounces of pasta. Put a little virgin olive oil. Mix it up. Taste it to see if you had enough salt in the water. And if it has a pleasant flavor, you did it right. This is al dente. That's perfect pasta. I don't care if it's spaghetti, bow ties, egg noodles, or anything. They're all cooked the same way. Enjoy.